Welcome to today's statistic tutorial brought to you by Caz Academy. Today we're going to be looking at the difference between mean and median. What is the difference? As you can see from the pictures, both the mean and the median are in the center position in your data. However, there's a slight difference. The mean is always going to be in the exact center of your data. The mean is where you take the average of all of your data values to get the center position. The median is the data value that is in the middle position. So this is going to vary just depending on the frequency and spread of your data. Sometimes it's going to be exactly the same value as your mean, and other times it's going to be a little bit different. But it's always going to be the data point rather than the average. In the next video, we'll look at how to calculate the mean, median, and mode for a set of data and a frequency distribution table. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the links below for additional supports and resources, and to like and subscribe to get the latest videos from Caz Academy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.